Two-phase enhanced air cooling extends the performance range of air by dissipating more power in a compact size, delaying the transition to liquid cooling as power levels increase. Heat enters through high-performance thermal interface materials to maximize heat transfer from a heat source to the heat sink base. Evaporation condensation heat spreading moves heat over large distances with minimal temperature drop for creating design flexibility to optimize heat source layout, while cooling remotely where there is better access to airflow. Fluid evaporates at the base plate and travels through heat pipes that are 100 times more thermally efficient than copper or aluminum, condensing at the remote cooling region to release heat into fins. Condensed fluid flows back to the evaporator through a wick, even against gravity, to continuously repeat the heat transfer process with no moving parts for greater system reliability. Fans pull hot air from the fins so they can absorb more heat. Two-phase enhanced air cooling enables higher heat capacity, less airflow, and more efficient energy use in compact thermal management solutions for cooler components and high-power devices.